Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well. Yes, dear students, in previous classes we have explained that what is the role of earth, and the earth is a type of planet of our solar system. Understand? Now we are telling about that inner planet Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars is known as inner planet. It is also known as terrestrial planet. It is known as terrestrial planet. And like this, terrestrial planet is the another name of inner planet. And outer planet Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are known as outer planet. Understand? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are known as outer planet. Okay. Now we are discussing about that our earth. Yes, in previous classes I had explained that the earth is a planet where life is possible, because on the earth air, water and natural resources, many types of natural resources are available on our earth. So you can say that life is possible. Yes, dear students, we are discussing about that moderate temperature like this 14 crore 92 lakhs 286,000 square light year. It is far from the sun, so that it is very far from the sun. That's why moderate temperature is here. Now like this, whenever we are feeling high temperature, so that's flora can burn from the sun rays, yeah, like this sunlight. Okay, so that's moderate temperature is being here because it is very far from the sun. Now availability of water, the availability of water. The water is a natural resources. Our earth is a planet where water is available in high percentage. Like this you can say water is available in ocean, sea, rivers, pond, lake, well and groundwater also, and in the solid ice cap glacier it is still in it. So that's you can say availability of water, so that's life is possible on the earth. Water is essential for our daily life, because if there is no water, there is no life there. Understand? Third, favorable atmosphere. Earth is a planet where favorable atmosphere, because all flora and fauna are feeling very well on the earth, because they shoot the atmosphere according by itself. And like this you can say favorable atmosphere is here, that's why life is possible here. Now as second topic is satellite. And like this you can say the moon. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth, and artificial satellite, there are two types of like this natural satellite and artificial. Natural just like this. You can say Earth, satellite. So here is moon and here is Aryabhat. Aryabhat, you can say. Yes, I'm right. Aryabhat. So natural satellite of the earth is moon and artificial satellite of the earth is Aryabhat. So dear students, you can say that earth satellite is moon, that is natural, and the earth satellite is artificial, Aryabhat. Understand? Any problem? I hope that you have seen the phase of the moon. You have seen the phase of the moon like this: new moon, half moon, full moon, and etc. Now asteroids. Asteroids are a small rocky celestial bodies, a group of asteroids, the asteroid belt. So dear students, these are the natural phenomena that you can see in the sky. Celestial bodies, stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, and many types of stars. So you are looking in it. So dear students, in this picture you are like this, in this picture like this, satellite, natural, artificial. These are the natural and artificial satellite of every planet. Some planets have no satellites. Some planets have no satellites, and some planets have satellites. So that you can read in brief in the books of chapter 1 in geography. The earth is in universe. So dear students, I hope that universe I have explained. Millions of stars, asteroids, galaxy are located in huge area. That area is known as universe. Understand? Yes, I hope that's any problem. You are confessing any problem that you have to ask me. I hope that I have understood to you inner planet, outer planet, types of planets, and what is the role of planets, and our earth. There is life possible. Why is life possible here? Because moderate temperature, availability of water, favorable atmosphere, and others. So if you want to understand earth, so that you can take a help of an atlas like this globe. If you have seen a globe, so that you can understand it easily. 43% of the part of areas is land, is plain. And like this, you can say the area of India is 32,37,263 kilometers square, and there 43% is plains. So dear students, you have to learn easily how can this possible. Life is possible on the earth. So life is possible on the earth because moderate temperature, availability of water, favorable atmosphere, etc., etc. Yes, I hope that problem will not come. Yes, dear students, you should read easily and learn easily. Thank you so much. I hope that you will stay at home. Take care. Bye bye.